Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Facebook profile, just like that. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then right here tap at your profile picture to open up your profile, and then just scroll all the way down until you find music here. Just tap on that. Now, in order to add a new music in that list, you can hit at that plus sign and then just search for some specific music. Let it be Offspring, and then you can just hit at the music that you want to add to your profile, just like that, and then you can move on right here to the music. As you can see, Offspring song has just been added at the top of that list, and right from here you can hit at three dots icon and select pin to profile. Now you can move on to that profile, and as you can see, that song appeared right here just under your name. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.